Hi guys, today we learn about the magnification. Okay, so what is magnification? That is relation between the image height and object height. Okay, we can say like that, and also otherwise ratio between the image distance and the object distance. Okay, so we derive the formula of magnification today. For that we need this map. It's very easy. Okay, observe carefully. So this is symbol of convex lens, this is principal axis. Okay, so and here I am taking this is, what is this, focus, and here also I am taking focus. Okay, so next what we are doing here, we are deriving magnification formula. Okay, so let me assume here is a object. Okay, so we have to find the image. For that we need two rays, that is parallel line to the principal axis, it goes through the focus. Okay, we already knew it. So next the line is going to the optical center. Okay, it connects here, that means we get image here. Okay, this is a map we need to derive the magnification formula. Very easy. So what we draw, we take here, what is this, we kept here object, we get image here. So let me put identification, this O dash, let us assume this is I dash. Okay, so you observe from the mathematical formula, you observe triangle PO dash, this triangle, and triangle PI dash, similar triangles. You observe carefully, PO dash, this triangle, and the PI dash, these triangles are the similar triangles. So when they are similar, we know that the ratio between the, what is this, opposite and adjacent sides of both triangles equal. When they are similar triangles, the ratio between the what is this, opposite side, adjacent sides of both triangles ratio is equal. That is, let me write the ratio between the from this triangle O dash by PO, O dash opposite side, and this is adjacent side. So ratio between the opposite side and adjacent side of the both triangles are equal. So O dash by PO is equal to I dash by PI. You have to write this formula. By this we can get easily magnification formula. Okay, so O dash by PO, then I dash by PI. We can write from this. I am writing I dash by, I am choosing this comes this side, this goes this side, then I dash by O dash is equal to PI by PO. Okay, so next let us take the values of these ones, PI, PO, I dash, O dash. So what is O dash? It is the height of an object. Let us assume that is a HO. This is a height of an image. Let me take this as a HI. Okay, so next the distance between the PO, what is this? This is an object distance. So object distance nothing but U. So next the distance of image, that is nothing but V. By the sign convention rule, we have a sign convention rule. What is sign convention rule? The every distance must be measured from the P only. And the next, the measurements, that means the distances which are along to the light ray side, that is taken as the positive. The distances which we measure opposite to the light ray side, that is taken as negative. And the third one is the height which is about the principal axis, taken as positive, and the height which is below to the principal axis, taken as negative. Let me write, you can understand easily. This is above to the principal axis, that means this is taken as a plus. Okay, this is below to the principal axis, this by the sign convention it gets minus. Then let me measure PO. How we measure is, we measure from right to left, P to O, this side, but rays are going left to right. That means this distance is opposite to the right ray distance. So U gets as minus. Next, what is V? V measured from P to I, here to there. That means rays also going this side to that side. That means it gets positive. Simple. Okay, so let us substitute these all value. I dash, here it is. Okay, I dash is equal to minus HI. Next, O dash is equal to nothing but HO. Next, what is PI? Here it is PI. This is plus V. We can write as simply V. Next, what is PO? PO, that is minus U. So minus minus gets cancelled both sides. Then we can get simply, this is nothing but formula of magnification. M is equal to HI by HO or is equal to V by U. This is a very simply we derived very simply.